All right.
Okay, this thing is booting up right now.
And so, what is it? Is it a GPS, the Polaris?
No, it's a complete note taker.
A complete note taker. Okay.
It's got things on the HIM side. It also has a Google Android.
Okay.
So you can do Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides.
Okay.
You can download. I've got like Bard Mobile on there. I've got Go Read is the bookshare app.
Okay.
I don't know, Jordy, if you want to place it on the table there, if that's easier for you.
Absolutely.
If you want to hold it.
Absolutely, a lot easier to put it on the table. So that's what I'm going to do. Break your...
You probably are familiar with Braille keyboard.
I am.
So all that's going to feel familiar.
The two keys here next to the space bar seem to be different.
That's going to be a control on your left and an alt on your right.
Okay.
And those are going to be largely used to help with Android keystrokes. There's your file manager. That's just like what you'd expect it to be. You go in there and see all your files and folders.
Okay.
So you can press space bar.
So that's the toggle. Does that move forward then?
That moves forward.
Okay. Maybe.
Wait a minute. Maybe I have it locked. Let's see if I do.
Unlock.
That's right now.
That helps.
Okay.
All right.
Word processor.
Processor. There's your media menu.
Organizer. O.
Okay. And I'm guessing calendar appointments, things like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And it was also synced with Google.
Okay. So you get your calendar, all your stuff from your calendar. What's Web Tools?
That's your web browser. That's going to be essentially Google Chrome in there.
Okay.
That's what our new web browser is.
Okay. How do I back up?
Backspace. That's just .7. There you go.
Web browser.
Can I hit enter on it to open it?
Start
Oh,
web browser.
okay. It just was
I
being...
have not been able to get it open on this hotel's network yet. So
Okay.
it may not. I tried it earlier and couldn't get it to open. So we'll see if it does.
Let's see. Looks like...
It tries to load, but it doesn't get there.
Okay.
So if you want to stop that, just go ahead and do a Z chord, a Z with space bar. That'll bring you back. That brought you right back out of it.
Okay.
Then you continue.
Web browser. Web browser.
Hit your F4. There you go. Now you're back in the menu.
Extras. X. Utilities. View.
Okay.
Settings. S.
Okay. It's got the nice USB
Help. Page.
thing going
It
too.
does.
Alright. Is that automatically set for
No,
USB or?
Well, it might become set there. What it's going to do when you pick this up for the first time, it's going to walk you through a bunch of settings, and I talked about this in the presentation today. We added this piece. This will be the first product that has it.
Okay.
It's a setup guide. So when you first turn it on, it's going to assume you don't know really anything about it yet. You can always get out of it, but it's going to walk you through setting your volume, setting your Braille code, whether you want contracted, whether you want UEB. If you want to connect it to the internet, it's going to help you set up your wireless connection. It's going to adjust parameters like you want. Like, do you want your Braille cursor blinking? Do you want it just always up? You know, all those things. And that's a startup guide that we've added to walk people through initially, just setting up things to make it more useful.
Okay.
So that's where you would find that.
Very nice.
Had you gone into that settings,
I didn't go into.
you would have seen where you could launch that.
Okay.
Settings. S. Set time and day. T.
You don't
Okay.
need that, but you know what's there.
I.
Set up internet.
There's your internet settings.
So would this be? So for instance, if I was going to try to, if this was my unit, and I came into this hotel. How would I go about actually connecting it? Would I use to the internet? Would I go through this settings menu for here or
You would.
where I'm at right now?
Yes, you would.
Set up internet.
Set up internet.
Yes.
Okay.
And it would give you wireless or it'd give you your options. You pick that, and then it would come back and tell you what wireless networks it sees.
Okay. All right.
Manager.
There's your Bluetooth manager if you want to use Bluetooth with this device. Headsets, that sort of thing.
Okay.
Backup store personalized settings.
There's where all your settings can be backed up.
Gotcha. Okay.
And that's internal.
So how do I advance to the next words that I don't actually see on the Braille display?
You can use the scroll buttons at each end.
Okay.
You can use these.
Okay.
Try that.
Yep. Okay.
Change device name. D.
So if you're in a
Okay.
crowd, you can change your device name.
Okay.
So, like if there are 3 or 4 people with BrailleSense Polaris and you
Yep.
don't remember, am I Polaris 1022 or am I, 802, you can go in here and call yours something like
Jordy's something. Gotcha.
And then it will,
Quick start guide.
there's your quick start guide that I talked to you about.
Okay. And this is just those options you were talking about earlier where you're setting all the keys.
Yeah, if you hit enter, it's going to ask you if you want to launch it, and if you say yes, it's going to say okay, and it will reboot, and it'll come up in that quick start, that
Okay.
quick setup guide.
I don't think I want to do that
Okay,
though.
you don't have to.
Protection.
Password protection.
Right.
So I noticed that there's a little display up here.
Yeah, that's an LCD display.
Okay. Does that have anything to do with Touch ID or anything like that with
No.
password? Okay.
What it's got to do with if you are a student with a parent or a teacher that wants to be able to look at that display and see what's up, or
Okay.
if you were to need some help, if you were to get stuck somewhere and you want somebody to be able to look at it,
Okay.
they could look at that LCD display.
Gotcha.
And that can also be turned off if you're like, I don't want anybody to see what I'm doing.
Right on.
That can be in the menus. That can be turned off.
Okay. And it doesn't look like they get too much of what you're
Yeah,
doing
they don't.
anyway.
Now, you
So
could plug them on. You could also, there's an HDMI port in the back.
okay.
So you could plug it into a projector, you could plug it into a monitor, you could plug it into any kind of LCD.
Seems like this could be really awesome for PowerPoint presentations and
Yes,
things
sir.
of that nature. Okay. All right. So my last question before I let you go is what's the ticket number on this thing? What's the price of this thing? What are we going to be?
$52.95. But
$52.95.
if you got an old device, you've got decent trade-in program. You got an old note taker, it's a 32 cell display, I can give you $1,800 off.
Okay.
You got an 18, I can give you $800 off.
Okay. Very nice.
And we're going to start shipping this in about a month.
Okay.
So we're still, what you're looking at today is still beta firmware, but I mean,
Right on.
a lot of things are working pretty well, so I don't mind
Absolutely.
showing you some of what we're up to. At least it gives you kind of an idea of what we're doing and
Absolutely.
what the shipping product's going to be.
Okay.
So,
Very nice.
You
That's-
got a card?
I actually don't.
Okay, well, let me give you
Yeah.
a card.
You know, what was your name again?
Andy.
Andy.
Yes, sir.
Andy.
That's my card. It's got my cell number on it.
Excellent. If I'm reading it right. Yep, there we go. Okay. Hims. Well, it's very nice to meet you,
Nice
man.
to
I
meet
appreciate
you
you
as
taking
well,
a few
buddy.
minutes here to
Hey,
chat with me and
anytime.
whatnot.
And I'm
Very
here, too,
nice.
so we get slow time. Don't worry, I'll take care of
No,
that.
no worries.
If it gets slow or you think of anything you forgot, I'm right over here.
I definitely appreciate it, man.
You got it.
Thanks,
My
sir.
pleasure.
All right.